In our cake production line, when the cake is cut and shaped, the material and cream easily adhere to the cutting tools when cutting the material, sometimes causing damage to the surface of the material and making the finished product incomplete. For this reason, we use ultrasonic cutting machines, which use the principle of ultrasonic high-frequency vibration, which not only does not cause damage to the products being cut, but also preserves the integrity of the objects being cut to the greatest extent, and also avoids the adhesion of materials. It also has the characteristics of low noise, high efficiency, energy saving, and self-cleaning.